We did see a nasty storm that went through Gregg and Harrison County yesterday, and this was a picture taken from Longview. This was Jennifer's picture, and you can see the quantity of hail that fell. It wasn't necessarily super big or anything like that, but it was almost like a brief band of snow went through the area. I bet if this wasn't tiled Wednesday's hail, you would probably think that was like sleet or something accumulating on the roof there. Now, over in Hallsville, the storm intensified as it entered Harrison County, and pretty intense hail. This was a picture sent in from Catherine Gentry there in Hallsville. And then Wednesday's hail from the spouse of a National Weather Service employee, 2.5 inches in diameter size with that hail. That is as the storm intensified when it moved through the community of Marshall. This, of course, was sent in from Joshua Cutler there. So, South Texas winter weather. It is possible for areas well to our southwest to have some accumulations in the form of sleet, freezing rain, maybe even some snow near the Big Bend area of Texas. So we will keep an eye on that, and they're already starting to see evidence of that frozen precipitation to the northwest of San Antonio, and that's just because the air behind the front we saw yesterday is just so cold. It is billowing into South Texas as we speak, and that is why they are seeing the precipitation. They're seeing rare winter storm warnings set up for deep South Texas and also for areas like San Antonio and Austin. They're under a winter weather advisory. None of that's happening today in East Texas. We're lucky if we see a couple of sleet pellets in deep East Texas, but it is cold today. We are in the 30s and 40s. You factor in the wind speeds, which are anywhere from 10 to 20 miles per hour right now. You get a wind chill, or the true feels like temperature, well into the 20s, teens further to the northwest. It feels cold for folks going to work in Dallas. Look at that, feeling like 12 degrees. For the bus stop forecast, the kiddos need to be bundled up today. Make sure you bundle them up because that could be a cold wait at the bus stop at 7 o'clock. By noon and 3, temperatures into the 30s and 40s. And on FUTURECAST, there is a little bit of evidence that we could very well see those clouds decrease this afternoon. This is noontime. Notice how the temperatures struggle, though. We're only in the 30s through 5 o'clock, still holding on to the cloud cover in deep East Texas. And then as we head into tomorrow morning, very cold start. Less wind, though, so the wind chill not as bad. Temperatures will be starting out in the 20s at 6 o'clock in the morning. And then as we roll into your Friday afternoon, temperatures will be back into the middle 40s. It's cold again on Friday. We do have sunshine, though, so that should make it feel at least a little bit better. We're at 57 on Sunday. Monday, rainfall does return. We are in the upper 40s, and then 40s and 50s alternating into the middle part of next week. Corinne?
Thank you very much, Carson.